Okay, my hair is not
happening right now.
There you go. Oh my god, I look like a boy. What's up? I don't know how to make a deep voice. I don't know. I feel weird when I do that. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Look at my peas. They're like cute. I traded my movie tickets
to get these peas.
Let's get to the main point of this video.
Oh my god.
These birds
are fucking rude.
I did not get a chance to wrap literally any of my friends' Christmas gifts. Why? Because I don't feel like wrapping them, honestly.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg! I'm not that good at wrapping presents. And I'm lazy. I figured why not make a video and show you guys what I got all of my close friends for Christmas. Okay, so let's get started. My brother. I got this shirt for my brother. It is Major League. Shout out to Uncle Brandon. Yes, sir. I got my brother the one with the fist because the other day he punched me in the face. In the back, it says
Major Bangers.
He's like a mini banger.
I'm the real banger.
I have these chains. Alpha Beach banger right here. Soup. Sup you fucker. You like scrap. I'm just kidding. Don't tell anybody I said that. It's gonna be on the internet, but like, I wasn't serious. I don't want to be an Alpha Beach banger. How disappointing does that sound? Patrice. You guys know Patrice. She was in my vlog.
She's lovely.
I literally bought her these Vans right in front of her. I said, okay, what kind of Vans do you want? What type of Vans do you want? And she said, I wanted the checkered ones. I was gonna get her the yellow checkered ones. They never had her size because her feet are like
small as fuck.
I bought her these because these are the ones that they did have in stock. They had the black and white ones. I got her these Vans. Patrice is also my coworker. We also did Secret Santa and I also got
this bitch.
I got her this blanket, okay? I got her this cute blanket that I'm gonna wear because
I think I look cute in it.
I got her Vans and a fucking blanket. This bitch is lucky. Jalissa, I got these booty shorts because she has like a big butt. Her butt would look great in these. She wears these all the time. I also got her these cute little rings. Yes. So I got her those cute little rings because I felt those are cute. She wanted rings. Okay, so my dad, I got him this wallet. Oh, you know, like a wallet.
Big fucking deal.
Like, what's the point of buying like a wallet? My dad has his wallet from like, I don't know,
1970 something.
It's old, it's falling apart. It has these inserts to insert like pictures and stuff. He would not like any other wallet except for the ones with the inserts inside. He has pictures of like,
shut the fuck up!
These birds are rude. He has pictures of like me, my brother, my sister, my mom, his hoes, who knows. These inserts is what he wanted and I finally found a wallet with them in it. So I bought it for him.
This candle.
I got this candle for my mom, but we can't say anything because she's in the living room on the phone right now. So, oh my god, it smells so good. Like, smell it. I know you guys can't smell it, but at least try. This is called A Bird in Paradise. I am also
a bird in paradise.
Also, this is for my sister. You have to be quiet because she is an
eavesdropping ass bitch.
And she is right next door. It's the thought that counts. JP. Stitch is his favorite character from Disney. I got him this Disney pillow. It is like the most softest thing I've ever felt in my
entire life.
They're called travel cloud pillows. They're like
what?
Keppa. You guys know Keppa, Kawaii, and also Black Friday shopping. You wanna touch my butt? I got him these Dungeons. I got him Dungeons and Dragons. I don't know what Dungeons and Dragons are. Whenever I hear it, I think of nerds. Being honest here, I didn't take the time to actually read what it was about. In Kawaii and also when, you know, we're just hanging out, volleyball, after volleyball, he always mentions, let's get into Dungeons and Dragons. None of us have any like Dungeons and Dragons sets or cards or whatever the fuck. I figured for Christmas, since he kept talking about Dungeons and Dragons, that I buy him a Dungeons and Dragons starter set thing. Tiana, I don't think you guys know Tiana either. She has not been in any of my vlogs. I got her this. So the cool thing about this vanity, there's three, there's 1, 2, 3, but this side I believe has 2 mirrors. The mirrors have different magnifications. This one's regular, this one's like I don't know, side bitch view. This one is for your eyebrows and this one is for your lips. They both are magnified and they also light up. I got that for her from Walmart. Yeah, there of course is my friend Raymart. He's the one who got bird shit on him in Kawaii, but I wasn't too sure what to get him yet, so I'm gonna get him something before Christmas. So hopefully yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys what I get him, but I'm not too sure what I'm gonna get him. I'm not sure what he likes and I don't want to get him something that he doesn't like. That was my video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, it was so nice talking to you guys. Have a great day, whatever, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.